Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a delicious restaurant-style mushroom recipe, which is mushroom butter masala. And friends, this mushroom recipe is best enjoyed with roti, naan, or even with jeera rice and pulao. So let's get started with this delicious and yummy mushroom recipe, which I'm sure you're going to love it. And here I have taken 250 grams of mushrooms which has been cleaned and washed. Now for the bigger ones, you can slice them into 4 parts so that when we cook them, they melt into our mouth. And the medium ones, you can slice them into half. So slicing of the mushroom is done. Then here I have taken 2 ripe tomatoes which has been roughly chopped, 1 large onion roughly sliced, 3 large garlic pods which I will slice them into smaller portions. So if you're using small to medium garlic pods, you can use 9 to 10 of it. Then 1 inch of ginger sliced into half and some broken cashews. Next, heat a pan and into it we'll add some vegetable oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add the chopped ingredients along with the cashews. And on medium to high flame, we will saute them until they turn golden brown in color. And once the color slightly changes, we'll add into this a little bit of salt so that the tomatoes melt and they turn soft and mushy. And by now these are well fried, so I will turn off the flame, allow this to cool down and then grind into a smooth paste. And now in the same pan, I will add a small cube of butter. We'll let the butter melt completely. And into this, we will now add the sliced mushrooms. And on medium to high flame, we will saute the mushrooms until the water from the mushrooms evaporates and they turn golden brown in color. And at this stage, we'll season the mushrooms with a pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric powder, and a pinch of Kashmiri red chilli powder. We'll now mix the spices well over the mushrooms. And now into this, I will add 1 green chilli slit into half and few ginger strands. We'll saute them for a few seconds. Alright, our mushrooms are ready now. And now time to make the gravy. For that, heat a small cube of butter. And as the butter melts, we will add into the pan 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, and half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. And on low flame, we will saute these spices for a few seconds so that they are well combined. And at this stage, we'll add the paste made out of fried tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, cashews. And we need to saute the paste well for about 1 to 2 minutes on low flame until oil starts to separate. But now the masala and the paste are well sauteed. At this stage, we will add some water. Give this a mix. You can adjust the water as per the consistency you want, but it's better to keep the gravy slightly thick. Alright, and now into this goes 1.5 tablespoons of fresh cream, which will make our gravy more creamy and delicious. Gently give this a mix. And now into this creamy gravy goes the fried mushrooms. We'll season the gravy with a pinch of salt as per taste, a pinch of sugar, and some crushed kasoori methi leaves. We'll now give this a mix. And our gravy is almost ready. But before turning off the flame, I will add some chopped coriander leaves. That's it. Our creamy mushroom butter masala is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our delicious mushroom butter masala on the serving plate, which you can enjoy with roti, naan, kulcha, or even with jeera rice and pulao. So friends, do try this delicious mushroom recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.